The Prophet ﷺ said to Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu, "You are from me and I am from you." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, when Allah's Apostle ﷺ passed away, he ﷺ was pleased with him. Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, "I will definitely hand this standard over to a person at whose hands Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will confer victory." The people wistfully spent the whole night to see whom the standard will be granted to. When it dawned, everyone visited Allah's Apostle ﷺ, aspiring to be blessed with the standard. But he ﷺ said, "Where is Ali bin Abu Talib?" The people replied, "He has got sore eyes, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ." He ﷺ said, "Go and fetch him." So he was brought to him, and he ﷺ put his spittle in his eyes and prayed for him. So he convalesced and became as if he had never got a sore eye. Then he ﷺ granted him the standard. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu submitted, "Should I fight with them until they embrace Islam?" He ﷺ said, "Go quietly, and when you dismount in the battlefield, first of all invite them to Islam and inform them of what has been enjoined on them, right of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. So by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu guides even a single person through you, that will be better for you than extremely costly red camels." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3701.